Which of the following is a valid replication option for an Azure storage account? A. Locally redundant storage LRS, regionally redundant storage RS, C. Globally redundant storage GRS, zone redundant storage ZRS. La respuesta correcta es B. Regionally redundant storage. Azure storage accounts offer several replication options, including locally redundant storage LRS, zone redundant storage ZRS, and globally redundant storage. Regionally redundant storage RS is not a valid option. What is the maximum size of a single blob in an Azure storage account? A, B, C, D 200 TB. This C. The maximum size of a single blob in an Azure storage account is 8 TB. This limit applies to block blobs, append blobs, and page blobs. Which of the following access tiers is not available in Azure Blob Storage? Hot. B. Cool. C. Cold. Archive. La respuesta correcta es cold. Azure Blob Storage offers 3 access tiers: Hot, Cool, and Archive. There is no cold access tier available. What is the purpose of the Azure Storage Account Key? To encrypt data at rest. B. To provide read-only access to the storage account. C. To authenticate access to the storage account. D. To monitor storage account performance. La respuesta correcta es C. To authenticate access to the storage account. The Azure Storage Account Key is used to authenticate access to the storage account. It is one of the methods to secure access to the storage resources. Which of the following is not a type of Azure Storage Account? A. General Purpose V1. B. General Purpose V2. Blob Storage. File Storage. La respuesta correcta es de File Storage. Azure offers several types of storage accounts, including General Purpose V1, General Purpose V2, and Blob Storage. There is no specific file storage account type. File storage is a service within the storage account. How can you restrict access to an Azure storage account to specific virtual networks? A. Using network security groups. Using Azure Firewall. C. Using virtual network VNet service endpoints. Using Azure Policy. La respuesta correcta es C. Using virtual network service endpoints. To restrict access to an Azure storage account to specific virtual networks, you can use virtual network VNet service endpoints. This allows you to secure the storage account by limiting access to specific VNets.